I think hand surgery for me was most interesting just because of the complexity of it. I enjoy working with my hands, and I realize just how difficult it is, and there's just so many tendons and nerves and bones. To me, it was more of a challenging subspecialty, and I kind of just fell into that. And I did my college at the University of Pennsylvania in Philadelphia, and decided to go to medical school. Ended up at NYU in New York City for 4 years. And in medical school, you have to pick your field, and orthopedics to me, as a young man, was most appealing. It was kind of, people were broken, they weren't terribly, terribly sick. The satisfaction was there quite quickly, and you could really do something about it. You can fix somebody, and they're great very soon after. So I chose orthopedics. I ended up doing residency at the Hospital for Joint Diseases in Manhattan for 5 years, from '92 to '97. And then I decided to subspecialize in hand and did an extra year fellowship in Boston in hand surgery, and then came out here to Arizona at the mid-1998, and I've been here ever since. When I looked at different groups when I came out here, I applied actually to 9 or 10 different groups here in the greater Phoenix area, and the Mezona Orthopaedic seemed to be the best fit for me just because we had every little different specialty covered, and it was a more gregarious group of guys who were working together well, and the camaraderie here is different than all the other groups I looked at, and so I ended up feeling it was a good fit. I think Mezona works a little different than some of the other orthopedic places in town because we're more multi-specialty. Even though we're all orthopedics, we have a foot and ankle specialist, we have knee specialists, shoulder specialists, hand, upper extremity, trauma, and so patients who come here can kind of go to one doctor or another. We have conferences together, we discuss cases much more than I've seen out in the community, and it tends to work very nicely for the patients and the doctors as well.